Hello, today we're at RIDGEGEAR. RIDGEGEAR supply and manufacture safety equipment, safety harnesses, safety lanyards, etc. Today with Tom. Tom's training manager here at RIDGEGEAR. Can you tell us a bit about RIDGEGEAR, please?
Yeah, sure. So we were founded in 1998 and RIDGEGEAR is a high safety manufacturer, so we make harnesses and lanyards and so on. And at the factory here today, we can see where we weave the web in, dye it and then turn it into high safety products.
Brilliant.
Let me show you a bit of a demo.
Thank you.
We'll get harnessed up, so we'll put you into one of the company harnesses.
Yep.
Then you can pull it up to your hip. Just as here, give them a pull, and that should start to now. So legs, and then we can do that again. So nice and secure. Connector, so that can then go back into the material part. Okay, so once the harness is on, we can then adjust it. With the legs, we just say you can get your hand in, just nice and flat. Same with your hips as well, and then your shoulders, very simple. You might be able to get one shoulder out, you should never be able to get both out.
Yeah.
Climb the ladder, sort of as you normally would do.
Yeah.
Sit, okay, good climb. And this is and attach that end of the connector directly onto the Okay, so from this point, before we lower, do the controls, so what we're doing here.
Save people.
Right, yeah, so it just tracks the speed.
We've had a brilliant day today at RIDGEGEAR. If you want to receive a quote today, please get in contact.